Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I do hope you guys are having a great day. For the ones that don't know me, my name is Desiree and my YouTube name is Desiree Wealth, and that's with 2 E's because my name is spelled Desiree. If you are new to my channel, welcome. If you haven't hit that red subscribe button or that notification bell, go ahead and do so. That way you would be notified anytime I upload a new video. First person I want to shout out is Cafe with Anna. If you haven't already heard, on Instagram, she has already reached 1,000 subscribers, and she's also doing mini giveaways throughout the entire month of the rest of July going into August. So if you haven't already subscribed, or if you haven't checked out her YouTube, go ahead and do so. So what I'm going to do is go through and stuff my cash envelopes. So this is my budget for the next 2-3 weeks, maybe 4, I don't know, but we'll see. At least the next 2 weeks, because I get paid again and I really want to save that last paycheck, if not save most of it. So when it comes to rent, my rent is $745. In the month of August, it will, well, I take that back. In the month of September, it will go up to $765. Sorry guys, I had to take a Starbucks break, and this is what I had. It was expensive. It was $6.50. They really could have kept this because it wasn't all that. But anywho, my rent will go up, but this time we are stuffing $250. I did have money left from all of my cash envelopes from the previous budget. So for miscellaneous, I did have $18 left after $40. So that means that I spent $22. So I have $18 left out of $40 for personal. When it comes to laundry, I budgeted for $15. I only spent $5 thanks to all of the quarters that I did have from going to the store. So I have $10 left from laundry. When it comes to the store, I did budget for $230. I spent $193, and that left me with $37 left. And overall, if we calculate everything, so $37 plus $10 plus $18 plus, because I didn't get gas either, so I budgeted for $15 for gas, and if we add everything up, we still have $80 left. So this amount should equal to $70 because I do have $10 in the car. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, and $80 if you add the $10. Now when it comes to cash envelope stuffing, I do have all 20s. And I have all 20s. Let me just take a picture. I have all 20s because, well, that's what the ATM machine gave me, and that's all I could get. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 20. So we have 100, 200, 300, 400, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20. 920, and I'm going to use this for some change if needed, and then all of this here will go to my rollover, and then I'll decide if I want to put it in savings or if I want to put it somewhere else. So let's get started. So first we have cream, and this is an envelope that I made. I was just playing around with design space, and I don't know, I was just thinking, well, I'll figure out how to use it, which I did. So I came up with cream vinyl because I was thinking of the song. So cream is for rent. So what I'm going to do, since I'm going to do $250, so I'll just use some of this for change. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 20, 40, and I'll just make change 5, 10, 15, 20. And I'll just put that there, 40, 45, 50. And I'll just double check. And let's see if we got it right. So 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 45, 50. So $250 for rent. And we already have money saved for rent. So let's see what we got together. So now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 100, 1, 2, 3, 4, 200, 1, 4, 3, 4, 5, 6, 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 83, 20, 40, 60, 84, 20, 40, 60, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. And this amount should equal up to $500 for the rent. So now just count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 10, 15, 20, 500. So we got rent taken care of. Next, we'll move on to Straight Talk, which Straight Talk doesn't have a cash envelope. So with Straight Talk not having a cash envelope, all right, so Straight Talk doesn't have its own envelope, but we're going to take out $100. So 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. Next, we're going to do Store. Now remember, Store had $37 left, and it's all right here. So now we're going to budget for $180. So 20, 40, 60, 80, 1, 20, 40, 60, 80. And I need to clean those trackers off because I'm starting over. And my mom is calling me, and I'll just call her back. So we got Store taken care of. When it comes to gas, we're going to do 20 bucks. And I don't really keep track when it comes to gas because, well, normally when gas get put in, it will all typically go to gas. So next is laundry. When it comes to laundry, I did not do that right. Laundry should have been $20, not $10. Uh-oh. So let me fix this. 80, 90, 100. Okay, so it's already right. So laundry. And when I go outside, I'll go and get the money out of the car as well. Next on the list, we have miscellaneous. And if you're wanting to know who made these are by Brittany or Britt at Plan Your One Life. And they are so beautiful. So we have miscellaneous, and we're going to do $20 this time because I did not spend the entire $40 as I did have before. So we're doing 20 bucks. Next we have car maintenance, and car maintenance is doing 60 bucks. So 20, 40, 60 plus this amount that we have here in all fives, I think. So yeah, let me just get the other money for car maintenance as well. Okay, I had to find an envelope for car maintenance. So overall, car maintenance have 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. So $145 for car maintenance. And this envelope was already opened. So we got that out the way. Next we have vacation. So when it comes to vacation, I do have money already saved in the bank for vacation. Let me just check and make sure that that amount is still the same as I calculated before. So let's just see. If I get logged in, it's taking forever. Okay, when it comes to vacation, and let's get it focused, I have $330 already. So what I'll do is do $330, and then this is the amount that I took out of the envelope. And what I'm going to do is add 20, 40, 60 to this amount. And now we have 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90. So 190. Wait a minute. 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90. So guys, we have $520 for vacation, which is totally fine with me because, well, I haven't went anywhere all year and I need to go somewhere, anywhere at this point. Uh-oh, I know why it's off. So vacation should have gotten $40. So what I'm going to do is take a 20 out. So we already have $330 in the bank. So $330, $340, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 95, 100. So that is $500 for vacation. Either way it go, I need to go somewhere. So yeah, not sure where I'm going, but I will go somewhere one day. When it comes to out of town, looks like out of town has money. So let's see. if I did this right. So out of town should have about $41, I think. So 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. Wait a minute. 20, 30, 40, 45, 46. So this money, nope, I said I was going to keep this in out of town. So I'm keeping this money, which is $46, 20, 30, 35, 40, 20, 30, 40, 45, 46. I'm keeping this in out of town. And what I'm going to do is add 60 bucks. So 20, 40, 60. And this is one of those hot mess videos again. But I like to make you guys laugh and let you guys know that when it comes to recording for YouTube, it is not everything. Trust me. Everybody messes up. We stumble over words. We miscount things. But it's all fun and games, right? So I added $60. So now we have 20, 40, 60, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100, 105. And I'm just going to keep this $1 because it only makes sense, right? So 20, 40, 60, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100, $105 for out of town. And with it being the month of July, I'm really not sure when I'm going out of town. It may be the end of the month. I really don't know. What's next? Christmas. So if you watched my last video where I was talking about Christmas and how I had money saved in the bank, but that money ended up getting moved somewhere else. So I'm kind of starting over when it comes to Christmas. So we're doing 20, 40, $60. And let's just see how quick we can get to about $400. I don't really have an end goal for Christmas, but I know I'm not going to do like I did last year. Because if you remember that video that I put out where I pretty much had to pay Discover, I don't know, it was a few $100s, maybe 5 or 6 or whatever. I don't remember. But I didn't like it. I hate paying people and I don't want to do it again. So we got Christmas out of the way. Next, we have savings. When it comes to savings, we are going to do 60 bucks. So 20, 40, 60. And so now for savings, we have 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 5, 10, $15. So not bad starting out. Not bad at all. What is next? My B-Day. So my birthday is in January. And I'm really not sure if I'm doing anything. Last year I did not do a thing at all whatsoever. So these last 60 bucks are going to my birthday. Just in case I decide to go somewhere. Normally here in Tennessee, it's kind of hard to go somewhere in the winter because, well, we get that crazy snowy weather. So let's see how much we got. When it comes to leftovers, I know we have $10 in the car. So we got 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, $71. So $71 overall. And let me just double check. So we have $71 left. Now I got to decide where to put this. Most likely I'll put this in rollover until I make up my mind. And I'm really not sure how these next 2 weeks are going to go. I think I may have should have budgeted, I don't know, maybe $220 like I did the last time for groceries. But I didn't. So we'll see. So now I just need to update everything. What is this? 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. This money is for Straight Talk. And I do hope you guys have a great rest of your day. And I do hope that you enjoyed this video of a lot of ridiculousness going on, if that's even a word. But whatever. Have a great night.